Mama wakwaba midin ede ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusiafo Dormaahene eye osagefo osiade yo ajiman bedu ede ensembia betudwa afa eye honorable Jache question nensema ewo court no na ebusiafo ensema eye Dormaahene ede ebetudwe enam so ena Ghana fu bebre akomo adwen ede akere no a ebimo ekere se ohene enye politics sa ohene enkasasa na ebusuafo edensem ena Dormaahene ede abetudwa enam so Ghana fu bi nso akekomo adwen ede akere ni nsem a okanya ne se eye honorable question nsem a ewo court ebusuafo ye yine ni honorable question eye Asin North MP currently sisi ono ena oye member of parliament de ma Asin North fo nsem a ewo court ye yine nim se okra eye dual citizenship a obe prepositioner urini oko parliament house court e ka chene se e mana on court bill by election akoso ewo Asin North wasanso enwini na nsem na ewo court no omo enken wie because omo born eye criminal charges bia esese o facing no edaso ewo court na ebusuafo ewo sensemimu ena Dormaahene abekasa se eye attorney general a semino ewo ninsem no ebeya anka ohu senie obesi aka semino na se impose omo begie mu na aka omo ngie mu nenka because man no we free Canada se obeboa Ghana fo ena afenso ohene kire se so na semino odibia anka obeka ede akonimfa na emom no onka emfenko benkum na ebusuafo yenti ensem a Dormaahene ede etudwane yewi yemeti ensem a Ghana fo nso ede amano
ade bi ekoso Ghana ewo ho mamram se nokrani unia ansa no baya MP wontimi enji wontimi free manifo problem e nokra egitum e nokra number without prejudice to the outcome of a court case pending before the High Court Accra and the Mesu Society we and yes as I America memma sadie mano so a meka onimonyam for ba ko bi ofri Canada I say Canada no ntena obi o be papa o de ato o ba Ghana beboa papa en ho sensem binti onya mane na no Supreme Court yes say na bato abeto e benye de bentwam yamubi no kreni mben kasa de same o Supreme Court kasa gina ye no kame me collect kame ko right me sra and the Attorney General of Ghana where emrama ne kwane say ade bi ekoso na ohwe Ghana fo anigye nim a otumi ye de otwaso na no Asin North baye se papa no batwa na konyanum so onya MPB o no bankoto foforo batoma na na se bandu amano bantu amano anya overwhelming majority no nya 57.56 oya bibiketwa wa batum as a matter of urgency I'm appealing to the President of the Republic if he has any role to play that trial should be aborted. The Attorney General should, as a matter of urgency, file a nolle prosequi to end that particular decision. No crany, somebody engineer, Mingu Sabi Mfaswobia, and the Bebra Ghana, said Dampono, Yabeko prosecute. Now, Saudi Nigina Kota, Nabatuamani, MP Edman over and Agago. And Koya, Amayan Shamra Papa, and Masabi. Ghana for enye juma amampuntu akwa no betima blame no it's on this day na me catch say Samre you are president you know I love you this matter cannot go on Attorney General odame prayer de share bono de share hwa wo mumam koko twa sem no yifri ho ne enkoya nim as Ghana for ade adeɛ bi ɛkɔ
Ebusuanfo ye na yate ensema Dormaahene ede etudwa na owie no na Ghana fu bi nso atromadwene ti ensema Ghana fu bi ekan we eye city youth na ochre say just imagine a whole king asking the attorney general to pardon the law just because the fellow is a member of your political party NDC. SMH, shaking my head. Okay, and I went so real, and I'll just say this chief likes politics too much. Okay, and I went so me, and I'll just say this guy doesn't speak or behave as a chief at all. There's nothing majestic about him. Okay, and I went so HSA. On what capacity this man and Kasa, his way of politics is meaningless. When it's someone, it's okay for the law to deal with it. But if it's NDC member, then the law is not fair. Okay. And when so HSA, how can Dormaahene develop? Okay, how can Dormaa develop having this shallow-minded person as chief? Okay, and when so HSA. Could this stupid politician be chief? Which chief always they talk politics. And I went so a empathetic black man and also say, Massa, go away with your nonsense. Is the said MP above the law of Ghana? This chief is misbehaving like NDC political animal. Hey, in some way, and I Ghana fubi I can't ede actually Dormaahene. Ewa bra odine sem abetuja no
hwamanie ni ohaw ewa northern region Dormaa we just as a northern region onimo as Dormaa ne ye wo no Thailand as ye wo Dormaa wo Pakistan akwatri mo din chan Afghanistan ni a okodi bone wo Syria Dormaa ko so wontra north da Baumie ni ofri north Baumie where northern region moja. On send about me see Bremen northern region. See how about me see Bremen northern region. But me see we are for so say northern region banyanima papa. Koshe yendi town roads. Na koshe yendi areas bimbila koshe tatale koshe roda na nada kwa kufa nalaji mamudu baumia the ministers. Oma come trouble more or me building northern region. Including interchange upper east, upper west. Now, me say Baumia akufado come to go no. Anna Baumia kacha akufado say. And name may be kwaso. And men puntu ka chiri. Na regions na doors do. The regions na abom na bebrebe sa no. Ebe ye yenchichem na regions no. Ebe hunto mo. No mo so hun ha mo. No be atimi nya the regional minister, the regional office. No mutimi ye bibi. Na timi bua regions no. Ana omoye ya no. Na akufado transport